of the majestic Sun Temple in Konark. The iconic structure reminds us of the 1200 artisans and workers who built this sculpture over a period of 12 years. But did you know that before building this structure, they had built another temple nearby that is said to be the blueprint of the Sun Temple? 54 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, there is a small village under Gop Gram Panchayat in Puri district, where this temple stands tall today. A temple associated with the legend of Konark Sun Temple. The Gangeshwari temple in Boyadispati village is a beautifully carved temple with an interesting history and legend. Locals say that this temple is a model of the famous Sun Temple in Konark. This temple is dedicated to goddess Gangeshwari, the Ishtadevi of Ganga dynasty kings like Choda Ganga Deva and Narasingha Deva. The temple is known for its detailed sculptures and excellent craftsmanship. It is also historically important because of what unfolded when the 1200 skilled artisans who helped build the Konark temple gathered here in Boyadispati village. Many of them joined hands to build a temple which looks very similar to that of the Sun Temple.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶିବେଇ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ଢିଅ 1200 ବଢ଼େଇ ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏକକାଳୀନ ମାନେ ଯୋଉଠି ସେ ରୁହନ୍ତି ମନେକର ଏଠି କିଛି ରହୁଥିଲେ ଆମର ବାରାହି ମନ୍ଦିର ଯୋଉ ଗଲାବେଳୁ କାକଟପୁର ରୋଡ଼ରେ ସେଠି କିଛି ରହୁଥିଲେ କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଯୋଉଠି ରହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର କରିଛନ୍ତି.
A unique feature of this temple is its special entrance gate, which makes it different from other temples. Although it does not have all the Parshva Devatas or peripheral deities like many other temples, it does have a beautiful image of goddess Varahi, who is one of the peripheral deities. Inside the temple's sanctum sanctorum, there is an idol of Devi Gangeshwari. According to the legend, this village was once home to Sibei Santra, chief of the 1200 artisans assigned to build the Konark Sun Temple. Locals recall that Sibei Santra faced a peculiar challenge during the Sun Temple's construction on the banks of the Chandrabhaga river. Every stone he laid was swallowed by a whirlpool, blocking the progress of the work. Disturbed and hungry one day, Sibei sat to eat, and Devi Gangeshwari herself appeared and served him rice. Without realizing, he started eating directly from the middle of the serving. His hand burned from the hot food, and Devi Gangeshwari gently advised, "Don't be like Sibei Santra. Don't start from the middle. Begin from the edges." Realizing his error, Sibei Santra changed his approach and began the construction from the edges of the river bank rather than the center. The temple work resumed smoothly. Later, he shared this with Langula Narasingha Deva, the reigning king of the Ganga dynasty. Eventually, in respect of Devi Gangeshwari's guidance, a temple was constructed for her in the village.
এই মন্দির পছরে কোণ কাহিনী রয়েছে?
ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ଆମେ ତ ଆମ ପିଲାଟି ବେଳୁ ଶୁଣି ଆସୁଛୁ ଏଇଟା ଶିବେଇ ସାନ୍ତରାଙ୍କ ଢିଅ। ଶିବେଇ ସାନ୍ତରା ଏଠି ରୁହନ୍ତି। ଏ କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର ସେତେବେଳେ ଯେଉଁ କାମ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଥରେ ଏମିତି ଶିବେଇ ସାନ୍ତରାଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲା। ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲା ପରେ ସେ ଆସି ମାନେ ଭୋକ ହେଲା ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଏଇ ମା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଣିକି ଖେଚାଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ। ସେ ଖେଚାଡ଼ିକି ଟିକେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ନ କରିକି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ମଝିରୁ ହାତ ପୁରେଇ ଖାଇଦେଲେ। ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣିବା ମାନେ ଆମେ ଆମ ଅମଳରୁ ଶୁଣି ଆସୁଛୁ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ମନ୍ଦିର ପୁରେଇ ଦେଲେ ମଝିରେ ହାତ ତାଙ୍କ ହାତଟା ଫୋଟକା ହେଇଗଲା। ତ ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଗଙ୍ଗେଶ୍ୱରୀ ଦେବୀ ମା କହିଲେ ଆରେ ତୁ କ'ଣ ସେ କୋଣାର୍କ ଶିବେଇ ସାନ୍ତରା ଭଳିଆ କରୁଛୁ ନା କ'ଣ? ଆରେ ସିନା ଗଣ୍ଡଟାରୁ ସିନା ଗଣ୍ଡ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଇଏ କଲେ ସିନା କାମଟା ହେବ। ତ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଶିବେଇ ସାନ୍ତରା ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆସିଲା କ'ଣ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଥିଲା। ତା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ସିଏ ଜାଣିଗଲେ ଏବଂ ତାର ଯେମିତି କରିବା କଥା କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର କଲେ।
It is said that the stones used to build Gangeshwari temple were transported via the Patharabhasa river, which has now dried into a pond. According to locals, this temple, which is also known as Mini Konark, was built as a mark of reverence for Devi Gangeshwari's blessing and wisdom.
ଆଗରେ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ପଥରଭୂଷା ନଦୀ। ସେଇ ନଦୀରେ ପଥରକୁ ବୋହିକି ଆଣି ଏ ମନ୍ଦିରଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ପୂର୍ବପୁରୁଷରୁ ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Though this temple has a great history and significance, it requires attention from the government.
ସରକାରଙ୍କ ନଜରକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା। କାହିଁକିନା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ବହୁତ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆମର ଜାପାନ, ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ବେଶୀ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଶୀ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଲାଗେ ଆମ ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକ ଟିକେ ଯଦି ପଚାରିଲେ ମିନି କୋଣାର୍କ, ସିଏ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରୁଛି ଯେ ମିନି କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର କେଉଁଠି।
এই জায়গার উন্নতি পাই বিকাশ পাই আপন কোণ কহিବାକୁ চাହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ବିକାଶ ପାଇଁ ସରକାର ଟିକେ ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଦେଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା। ଆଉ ଯାହା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଦେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଯେତିକି ଆମେ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଅଛୁ ତାକୁ ଯେହେତୁ ବାହାରୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ କେମିତି କ'ଣ କରାଯିବା ଏସବୁ ଆମ ତରଫରୁ ଟିକେ ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ। ସରକାର ଟିକେ ନଜର ଦେଲେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ଆଉ।